Good morning, catastrophic science students. Today is Thursday, April 23rd. We are on week 4 of e-learning. On Google Classroom, you'll see that the planes that were posted for this week, and today we will continue on with our water pollution survey week. Today we're going to be looking at part 3, where you'll be looking at an assortment of water pollution disasters that have already occurred. And you're just going to write a paragraph about each one of these and then submit it to my email when you are finished. These only work a half hour. If you're working on these paragraphs and it takes you longer than a half hour to get through those, whenever you reach that half hour, just stop where you are that day and submit what you've completed. So just get done what you can get done in a half hour on part 3. Paragraph about each, highlighting what happened, where it happened, what was the pollution cause, ramifications on the people that lived around it, or on the environment. Have a great day, and we will see you soon.